The only way I can keep from getting lost is to try to keep this what they call a spire, and I know that I'm on that street to actually live in. I'm living on, so. But it's very pretty, and they seem to be like very, very Christmas oriented, like very ready to celebrate it. This reminds me so much of New York. Just the crowds and the traffic. It's just more foreign languages. Which I guess is fine on a certain level. Hey, I'm at Temple University in Dublin, Ireland. I'm not sure which building is which, but I just walked in. Yeah, I'm not sure what time it is. Ireland,
like an even more intimate venue.
Theater, as you can Alright, so I'm just walking into something called Malton Trail, the St. Patrick's Cathedral. I think this might possibly be the cathedral, but I could be wrong. It's a very pretty park. It's kind of wet out here. And from my understanding, it's like this almost every day. But it's been pretty clear for me up until this point. This is the drive. It's been all day. I think those are private apartments across the street. Not really 100% sure. And like I said, you just see the people walking and really just going wherever they're going. But I'm trying to find something to eat, so just kind of stopped when I saw it. Currently on the bus leaving Dublin on my way to Galway. It should be about a little bit over 2 hours riding. I haven't been this far. Of course, this is on my way out the city. I'll come back through here on my way back to the United States. It's not really that much on this side, I guess. On the other side is everywhere. But I guess you can see a little bit more of like the residential as opposed to commercial. Not much other than that. I guess that's the Guinness place everyone is telling me to visit, but you know, not really into that. Okay, more later. Hi, last day in Galway. Just wanted to get a picture of my accommodations. Disregard the little drab colors. Apparently that's just how they do here. Looks like a little soccer field or something going over this way. It seems to be private apartments, residential area, something like that. I'm actually on the balcony of my hotel, and on my way out, on my way back to Dublin. I had an awesome time here. Love the French doors for my room, and that's pretty much all.